Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid. What is up, everyone? The Tech Piano Player Kid here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the command line a little bit on a remote file server. Before I continue, if you do not know how to use Terminal, I would not recommend doing this, so just enjoy the video and sit back. And if you have any questions, you can always comment down below. And also, I will hopefully get the community tab enabled so soon so I can talk to you guys through the community posts and stuff. Speaking of which, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Feel free to share my channel with other people who may be interested about tech stuff for the blind and how blind people do, how they complete their tasks independently. And for those of you who are blind, feel free to also share my channel with other people of your visually impaired and blind friends as well. So I have a Mac 2012 that's being used as a file server. We'll be using Terminal to configure this. Now, today I'm just going to be showing you the chmod command. Basically, what this does, it basically allows you to give read, write, and execute permissions for certain users and stuff. I'm not going to go into detail which is which. Today, I'm just going to be showing you how to give someone WRX, or read, write, and execute. Now, there is probably a way to do it for a folder with, for a folder, but then with all those folders within those folders and files, but I'm not sure how to do it, so we'll have to do it the hard way, per se. Okay, go ahead and open Terminal. Again, for those of you who are experienced, have had experience with the command line. So to do this, do Command Space and type in the word Terminal, or you can go to the applications from the desktop by doing Command Shift A, find Utilities, open that with Voiceover by doing VO space, or known as Control Option Space, or Command O, however you prefer to open it, open Terminal, and by doing the Command Control Option Space from the Utilities folder. So I'll be doing it from the dock, actually.
Dock, Terminal, 30, find dock, Terminal.
And the dock is doing VOD, by the way. Usually it would not be in the dock, but I have it in there. So now we're going to type in SSH space
AN admin at speech meter,
and then the account name at the file server .local. Oops, and I muted my voiceover. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. And it wants the password.
speech unmuted.
And then we're in. So I'm going to go to the desktop by doing CD space desktop.
DESKTOP admin at files over desktop %P
And
desktop.
that's with a capital D, by the way. CD space capital desktop with a desktop with a capital D. Before I continue, this account that I'm using is a temporary admin account, so I will be removing this so, I was not using my actual credentials. So let's go into an actual volume here, or directory. And this actual directory is going to be a folder or drive, but a volume in this case, so like a drive. So that will be CD space / volumes with a capital V
VOLUMES volumes
/ and then the volume name, case sensitive again.
SAOOL admin at files over school %
And then
school.
And then enter. So now I'm going to go ahead and make a folder here real quick. So we can mess around with this. mkdir space.
Speech unmuted.
Okay. So we have the folder in here. So now let's say you want to give read, write, and execute permissions for that folder. So that'd be chmod
Chmod
space
777
777 space and the folder name.
T test.
Case sensitive. Enter.
Admin at files over school %.
And it did that. So now let's go within that folder.
Admin at files over test % T test.
And we'll do this again for this other folder, which I call this math test. Again, case sensitive.
CD space
Not CD.
ANOD Chmod
chmod space
777
777 space. And now we have this math test folder, which has spaces. If you have a file name that has spaces in it, you need to put these in quotes.
quote. map T test quote.
end quote,
Add not files over
and
test percent.
enter.
CD add not files over.
And now we have all those folders configured correctly so people have access to it. Now, I know somebody will be like, dude, you can just go to the just use AirDrop or something. Well, or if they're not home, save it on the server and stuff, and people can access it that way. I do it this way, and it actually works very well with my dad and I. Now, sometimes technology can be weird and act up, but that's just the way it is. So now, say after you're done, let's say you're done with this test folder and you want to delete everything. Okay, let's do this. Warning, though, before I continue, do not ever do this through the terminal command unless you really have to, because if you do, the folder and files within the folder will be gone, out the window. Not in the recycling bin, not in the trash, it's just out the window. It's basically forcing to delete this way, I believe. So let's try this rmdir space test,
test.
or the folder name.
Test directory not empty. Add not files over school percent.
Okay, directory not empty. Huh, okay, interesting. So we tried that command, rmdir space test, or the folder name. It said directory not empty. You will get this if you have folders within folders and stuff like that. Let's try this command, rm space -r space test.
Test.
Now this will force the folder to be deleted from the system, computer, whatever, and poof, out the window, just gone.
Add not files over school percent.
And now it's gone.
C.
Here's proof.
CD, no such file or directory. Test add not files over school percent.
There. So now, once you're done and all that stuff, you can do an exit command.
Connection to files over .local closed.
And it says connection to the server closed.
Exit.
It will do one more exit again.
Saving session. Saving history. Truncating history files. Completed. Process completed. Speech muted.
And I mute the speech here. And now you can quit terminal safely by doing Command Q. I hope this video helped you guys to get an understanding on how the terminal works. And, for those of you who are young, or, younger, on the younger side, and, maybe just starting to get a computer, or for those of you who are maybe like, elementary or middle school, I don't know. The terminal basically is, how do I explain this in an easy way? So, like when you use a computer, you click with your mouse or you use the keyboard to do certain things. Well, through the terminal, you use the keyboard only. So you type in the command of what you want it to do. Now, you can't just say, go to this folder. You can't actually type in this way. You have to actually know the command. So it has to be like cd space this folder, or cd space /volumes /network, /test /this folder /quote folder name with spaces end quote /this folder, enter. Yeah, it gets pretty crazy. So that's kind of what that does. And then you can also do some other things with folders and stuff. And you can actually go to the point where we can actually deny permissions and stuff. But we're not going to get into that. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, or please put them down below. And also, thank you again so much for 1,000 subscribers. Feel free to share this channel with anyone who may be interested, sighted or blind, who are curious about technology for the blind and how blind people do things independently. Also, once I get the community tab enabled on my channel, I will definitely post, and you can also, guys, can talk to me on there through the community post once and if I get that. And also, you can send me emails at info@thetechpianoplayerkid.com. You can also send me a text or give me a call at 913-312-1325, which is my Google Voice number. And you can also follow me at Twitter, which is at @tech_piano. And also, guys, I'll be working on thumbnails, hopefully. So hopefully, starting on my next video, we'll be working on thumbnails. And hopefully this will work. If it doesn't, then I deeply apologize. Because thumbnails is kind of a hard thing for a blind person to do. So please be respectful of that. And, just be respectful of that. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless you all. And peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, please email info@thetechpianoplayerkid.com. Please also follow my Twitter @tech_piano.